What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day where we are going to finish up the paint job on the FJ. I know we talked about a few weeks back, we were going to Raptor line the FJ. I stripped all the parts off it and all that. We got a little busy, but now it's finally back in the shop. We got everything prepped up. I did an orbital sander, 320 grit on the whole entire thing. I came back and then I block sanded 180 grit everywhere else. That's what they kind of recommend, that 80 to 180 80 to 180 grit sandpaper range. I didn't want to take a whole lot of paint off, but just kind of got through the clear. It's really dusty still. I still got to clean it down before we get started with the Raptor Liner and all that. But it is fully prepped, so we're going to go ahead and tape everything off. I was going to make a video of me sanding the whole thing, but I didn't think anybody wanted to watch a 10-minute time lapse of me sanding for hours. So, but it is all prepped. We're ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and spray on the black Raptor Liner. I did prime the hood because I had some, the hood was pretty torn up. So fixed all that issue, and it's all good. The Bondo work on this back fender over here is all fixed as well. So it is all prepped. I did black, so on the inside of the doors, you can kind of see that. So I got rid of the white on the inside of the door sills. I just painted that kind of a semi-gloss black, trying to match everything. See if we can see it over here a little better. So all the white is gone now from the roof line. So we're going to go ahead and shut all the doors up. We're going to tape everything else back together, or just tape everything off so it's all ready for paint. I'm going to come in. There's a few little spots I want to hit with some self-etcher just so it kind of adheres better for the Raptor Liner. I have some adhesion promoter that I'm going to spray on all the plastic pieces as well, and then we're going to shoot the Raptor Liner. So stay tuned for that, and we're going to be done with it here shortly. Thanks, guys. Well, all right, guys, everything is done. This is just self-etching primer. I'll put that on some of the bare metal spots that's kind of got rubbed through. Not necessarily from sanding, but just kind of spots that were a little bit light in paint as it was. So the FJ is totally prepped. As I said, we did all the sanding, all this stuff. We came back, we washed it with the grease and tar remover. I know people say you can just basically go from there and paint after that, but it kind of left a little bit of a film. So I kind of wanted to get rid of that. So I came back with a tack cloth, got rid of all that stuff, and any little imperfection on the paint, which it did pull a lot of basically dirt and silt off of it. So glad I did that. Went ahead and taped everything off. So we did all that stuff, and then went around and we did just alcohol on it, just kind of cleaned everything else off. So the FJ is completely prepped now. It is all good to go. So we're going to go ahead and get some paint now. So stay tuned. I don't have my tripod, so I'm not going to be able to do a time lapse on this, but I'll just show you what it looks like once it's all Raptor lined. So wish me luck. All right, guys, before we get started with paint, I want to show you something real quick. This is the Raptor Liner kit. This was the $180 kit from Amazon. And let me just apologize real quick. Our exhaust fans are on, so it's a little loud. But yeah, so this is the $180 kit from Amazon. I know the prices kind of vary, with $10 or whatever it is. But this is the black Raptor Liner kit, not the tintable. You get 8 liters of the Raptor Liner. You get 2 cans of the hardener, and then you do get the gun with the regulator, which I am regulated as well from my airline coming in. I was going to put a filter on, but we have an inline filter as well, so we shouldn't have any water coming into the system. So this is going to be your kit. Now, I did add another 2 liters and 2 little small things Raptor Liner. So technically now I have 10 liters of Raptor Liner. Should be more than enough. I've heard that basically 5 liters is all you need. I just wanted to be safe and order a little bit more than I needed, just because I didn't want to have to do this again. And I am doing the bumpers as well, so I don't know if that's going to take a little bit extra or not. But that is your Raptor Liner. So we're going to go ahead and mix everything up, which, so you guys know, is very simple. In the directions it tells you, basically you just take 250 milliliters of your hardener itself. You put it into your Raptor Liner bottle, shake it for 2 minutes, hooked up to your gun, and you're spraying. So that's basically all you're doing. It seems like a really easy bed liner kit, so we'll see how it actually comes out. So hopefully it all looks good. So we're gonna go ahead and get painted now. All right, guys, well, here she is, all done. The Raptor Liner is fully installed. I think it came out great. There's no streaking or anything like that. I did go a little heavy. I did use all 10 liters. If you guys are going to be doing this at home, I think you guys could easily get away with just an 8-liter kit, which is the one that I got for $189 on Amazon. But I think for the extra $50, it was good to go a little heavy, especially here in Colorado and elsewhere. We have really bad hailstorms in the summer. So I have heard this has really good hail ratings. So I'm hoping that if I get caught in one, this will be a little bit, prevent any damage like that. So, but I think it came out great. Very happy with how everything went. The product is amazing. It came out perfectly. The install was, a breeze. It just kind of came out. It flowed out of the gun real nice. Really didn't chunk up or anything like that. Now, I did run it at 60 PSI. They give you the option to run between 40 PSI and 60. 60 will be a little bit finer of a a grit compared to the 40 PSI, but this is gonna be your 60 grit. I think it's a real nice texture for the whole entire thing. But thank you guys for watching. I'm really happy with how this came out. So now we're gonna go ahead and let it dry. They say, you know, give it a day. I'm gonna give it a few days here. I'll pull the tape and all that stuff off, which I don't know if it's gonna be an issue. These areas are taped, so I'm hoping that it doesn't peel off some of the Raptor Liner, kind of like Placidib does. So we'll have to see how that's gonna come off. I'm gonna try to get those off after I make the video. But other than that, I'm really happy with how the project came out. Stay tuned, guys. Like, subscribe to the channel, follow for more videos to come. We're gonna make some more stuff. Once I get the FJ fully completed, putting the grill back on and all that, we'll make another video of how it looks fully reassembled. So stay tuned for all that. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.